Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Let's talk about performance. In the list of non-functional requirements, and therefore bugs, it's way up there. Some of it's because we're sensitive to it. If a page loads slowly, or we don't get a response within some kind of timeout, we'll probably notice it. But when we enter the new world of AI, it's a whole new jungle. Performance bugs are subtle, and they hit us in two places. One is the user experience. And the second is the wallet. These days, we are building agents. Agents are awesome. They can do a lot of things for us. But they're slow. They think, they generate, they retrieve. If our user asks the agent something and stares for 15 seconds at the spinner while the answer comes back, it's a performance bug. The least we can do is provide some entertainment. It doesn't matter if at the end they get a perfect answer. By then, the user experience is ruined. And if we had a chat interface, latency is a trust killer. If the bot hesitates, the user will assume it doesn't know how to do its job. They will not use it again. Now, in order to identify these as bugs, we need to design tests to let us experience them. As proxies of our users, we need to identify those before they hit the users. With agents, latency may be even more than a problem. If it was one agent call, which results in one model call, maybe we'd be okay. But many agents are supposed to call LLMs in sequences. One call after another, and each call depends on the former. Now, consider the duration of the call and multiply it by 5. Time just flies. Then, because we have a reliable agent, if one of the calls fails, it retries it again. These calls accumulate, and our user still waits for the responses withering away. But that's on the poor user side. What about the company side? Each LLM call costs us. We pay for all these cloud and AI services. While our poor users wait for their answers, we are becoming poor. We'll be paying for all these unexpected calls. A lot more than we expected to. Now, even if the user is happy with the experience, we've already paid double for our AI magic. This is not a functional bug, it's an operational bug. Here's another example. Token bloat. Tokens are like word we send and receive while we're talking to an AI model. Our user may ask the agent for a yes-no question, and he may get a 500-word essay starting with yes. Technically correct, functionally valid, but we just paid for 500 tokens instead of one. Multiply that by millions of users, and you've got quite a financial leak. Again, these are non-functional, operational bugs. Bugs we should also be looking for. These problems accumulate. As our context window grows, latency problems creep up. As our AI model changes models, costs drift. Those payments add up, and experience diminishes. These are not new bugs, but they are bugs. Behaviors we don't want our users and ourselves to experience. We want to learn about these behaviors. Design tests and make sure we track trends way before they're in production. And the user is off to another vendor and our pockets are empty. In the next webinar, we're going to talk about risks. Risks we need to identify, track, and make sure we're on top of them, because they can turn into real problems. Details below. Join me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and check out my other videos. Until next time, bye-bye.